Take a breath and feel the sky. Take a breath and remember where you came from. Take a breath and remember where you're going. And give thanks to the chamber and the throat that vibrates and makes sounds like magical power. The more you speak the truth, the more powerful your magic is. The more you speak the truth, the more powerful your magic is, and let's give each other encouragement to speak the truth. We take this moment to give thanks. We take this moment to give thanks. We take this moment to take this moment seriously and joyfully at the same time. We take this moment to give this moment to each other. We took this moment and we gave it to each other. Having this moment, we're giving thanks. We're giving thanks. We're learning how to give thanks and feel it. I give thanks, but we're learning how to give thanks. I say, blessed be, feel your feet on the floor. Just feel whoever you are and say, I give thanks.